Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do the quotation for the house you design. Okay, let's say you have done the design, you want to show some quotation to your client, or inside you use what material, what furniture, and the tiles and the ceiling also can. Just one button only. Okay, so we let's break the house first. This one is a reading room, this one is a living room. Okay, this one is the dining room. Okay, and this one is the kitchen. Okay, so we have 4 things. I will show you kitchen first. You may come to here, list modular quotation. Okay, so in here you can select the area the thing you want to show in quotation. So I click kitchen. Okay, here you can choose unique quotation, kitchen cabinet, or factory quotation. So let's try this one. Get quotation, continue. Okay, save. So after it's done, you can see here we have an Excel. Okay, then I'm gonna show you something like this. In here you can see how many panel, the board panel you use, the material, what material you're using. Okay, you can change it, the size and the quantity. So you can put the amount also, like unit size I put 100. Then here conversion come out 200 because we got 2 unit. So you can do all the calculation, then just click the total to show your client. Okay, this is one of the method. Another one coming up, we have this one also, another one. Okay, let's go to the furniture here. So in here you see a lot of furniture, even I have a dog here. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, you can click this one also, whole house quotation. Okay, so you can put all the thing in your house. Don't worry, as long as you put inside a variable, you can quote it. So in here you may see furniture list, tile list, ceiling list. You can fill in the blank in here. This sofa you can put a number or the price you need. Okay, then how many you can put, you can generate. Okay, even anything you can put, or any furniture you can put. Okay, you can generate. Okay, even the dog you also can price it, or if you go for purchase a dog for your client. Okay, so we have kitchen, a lot of things lah. This is according to the area. Maybe I didn't give an amount. Never mind, I put 100. Okay, you see 100, 200, 200. Okay, and click the whole house. You can see we got an Excel file here, or you can modify your thing or give a price. Everything you can put a price, even the book also. Okay, then if you actually click on the Excel file, you will see something like this. This one furniture list. This you can edit here, or if those things you don't want, you can delete. Or every button is here. Okay, if you don't want this one, just delete. The one show to client, no need delete. Or the sofa is free. Okay, are you sure you want to delete? Yes, confirm. Confirm. Okay, or maybe this book I don't want to show, also delete. You can manually adjust it. Okay, you can add, or according to the room. Okay, you can add here also. Okay. Okay, you can use here, adjust the area you want. Even the kitchen, if you include teapot also can. Charge your client 200. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's all for the quotation. Thanks for watching. Bye.